It don't reach for sight for me, and 10 o'clock it don't reach for sight for bath men. 10 o'clock too it don't reach for place where they call now for inside Babisi. 10 o'clock it reach for sight for Besson village under Batbo subdivision. 10 o'clock it reach for sight for Etam, and 10 o'clock too don't reach for sight for Indian division. 10 o'clock it reach for sight for Edina. And 10 o'clock, it can end for that side for Kribi. We salute all man with Oshidon. For see, wait, this prophet, he don't bring him again today because church, he get for start, and when you go church, now for go year, wait away, he come out for inside Bible. Hold on for Cameroon, plenty churches them day for 1 room and for 2 room. But not that one, it be important, but now wait away, the prophet or pastor, it is sent him for upside way it touch some people them. We salute with that. Yesterday we don't succeed for day, and today we don't succeed for meet up. That means we get for thank God. May we enter now for inside strong number. What to make news for inside Cameroon? Chapter 1 na palava this strike where country people them where they work for inside company where they make rapper for inside country. Then 2 for side for Garwa. They don't vacate, they block entrance for company. Say they so plenty more. If they with this company, if they owe them and in never pay and they say they not the succeed for pay the house rent and picking them. They know the shop and they don't pay school fees for picking them. Garbage now, they don't know how they are picking them. They go back for third term period for inside classroom. So Papa they talk say this so me company try way for respect wait away work at them. Then they ask them. Another strong number now wait way happen for this night breaking this Wednesday now for site for Buddha 19-seater bus where now Vatican again Vatican where we don't show them it make accident in over make 2 days another one again now in that but this one na 19-seater but the other one it be na 19-seater so it be carry Christian them for Baptist church for go with them for some rally where we get for take place for site for come the one is for site for Buddha now we Okada man in the work for night where it not get light now we moto it can jam am and the Okada man he die at the spot. We talk Asha for family where they don't lost their family member. Another strong number. Now this palava new coach where don't come for inside Cameroon. Bibi book now minister where they in charge of sport for Cameroon. It don't come up book. Second book now president for Africa Foot. He talks say this so. He don't know this coach that the coach that where they talk say it is so. This coach it train for some first division for side for bed. So they talk say this so. Confusion it is for palava. The coach where they don't recruit them for inside Cameroon where you go social media. Now where it work outside. Some banana he says where be coach and where they don't kick him. Say me go for different side. He says he don't look him. He say better if for be now song that with the young people them where they be go for African Nation Cup last then turn back as they be turn trouble is start they happen. Then they ask question whether they so coach where they come now we go carry Cameroon for win African Nation Cup and wake up no ask story man send story for sharp morning time it talk say waiting send story it tell we say when person he pass you carry it back softly when person he pass you you carry it back softly. Person will send that one for we na Pat Thomas. Pat Thomas it is should for side for Manfe and Manfe it is for side for Manu and na inside Southwest Cameroon. Woman will support them na Mama G. Mama G is support them for side for Balinyonga for side for Northwest Cameroon. Nandege we come back we go send with a message. Me any man find chair a shidon because talk a day. When you see them with 2 eye, may you use their mop for send the information. Message for short morning time now say, what did the make am? Njangi or meeting is scatter. Now time where those before, they know they do fine work for inside meeting. Meeting get for scatter. The rulers, when they rule a meeting, if they know the rule a meeting fine, that means say member them they get for check. And when they check, that means the meeting must fall. What did they make a party? Is scatter. Not that the name for the party they make member them run. But now the rulers and when they rule the party, they make them member them, they fear and then come out to the party, go join different one. What did they make company the fall? Company the fall now because say those people they rule the company, if they not rule them fine, company get for fall. So now these 3 messages we will get for send them for country people and for upside. Me we start now with this one. Follow a strike for this company. If the people that way they rule the company, they rule fine. This work are enough for them for upside. Me will go see them for Garwa. Yes. I'll say strike where it happened for side for Garwa. Now work at the company where they make rappers. Now that. They say there's no plenty money there where this company get for gear. Papa, the way they don't go retirement benefit, they never get them. They don't go carry big stone them. Can't block them, say no man no go enter. Now name for the company that. Now name for the company that. And not the name, it make them these people and they reverse. But now those were the devil before when they make them, these people them they reverse. According to the talk where this party talk. Say plenty money there where they ask them for this company. Yes, they say that 13 months, that means say 1 year something. Where they ask them. Then when they ask and say they so they determine now waiting for work suited for 1 year where they never get salary. They say no, when they hold them 4 months, they can't get 2. 2 they hang. When they hold 3 months, they can't get 1. 2 they hang. Say now so they don't count them. They say na 13 months. Anyway, all man they ask question. Why people that must go for street for strike before money will come out? And why company they full worker and say they so they don't go register them for CMPS. And when worker and go to jail, they say they so no $1 in order for inside their coffers. That means that sometimes company they use worker less slave, and when the worker is when they last discover, that means say trouble it must be. And for life, when you use person, that person can't understand say you will use it, you there for permanent danger because all things go there for upside. They never talk for big talk say when you get problem with a woman for house, arrange her for house because when the woman it go come out with the story for upside, even secret for house it don't leak. Even secret for house will leak. So we will see say so if company the old worker, me try way for the arrange with the worker for back. Me no make say me worker go for street. Because thing we work at the talk now, that thing where social media it catch them. Whether they lie, whether they talk true, but social media it don't finish publish, wait till they don't talk. Will not be normal. A big company like this one, where they come out of pack any second, any minute, any second, but it all 1 year, 1 month salary for country people. Another one, na accident for IOs, now for Center Region. Driver will come out, they say now because of pothole, he never die. He never die. If he be die, we know for back and me would know. We now look the way where. When we talk to so we move all control for checkpoint. All these people when I put up for checkpoint, they don't do their work because they don't fix road, see pothole. And now this pothole don't make come can intervene choco where from what we before. Now he will jump for the tram. He jump for back. And then the head of the camion scatter all. Driver he turn inside. Now motorboy is struggle so take come out. Now motorboy is struggle so take come out. So now when the chakara the camion he had broke him. And then last now come out this Omaru for inside that camion. Succeed for go with him for hospital. And now with the yesterday so they don't bring them for general hospital for inside Yaoundé. Now for this side for Ngoso. And the man is there he find now on the foot where he get problem for now. So now this camion don't come down, they put the rope, they tear them before they succeed for come out this countryman. So the man is there alive. Where we go turn enter for general hospital for Yaoundé today. For see, whether it is so, we could get image for this countryman. So that me when I say when I see him, because God return and we return Allah, where it don't make him, this countryman, a day alive can't reach now. We return God, Papa God saying you not to sleep, because thing and they plenty. And we beg those where they send them for checkpoint. When they say when I go checkpoint, when I know say road, they never fix them. When I go turn waiting for take money for drivers, and where they road, you know they find. Yes, no matter the man that I don't talk say you never die. Me social media not talk say this so we be talk say don't die. Oh, now in that. Now if food then get problem. So we could reach for General Hospital today after the program for see whether it is so we'll meet up this countryman. So now in that they don't put it for down. After they go put them for moto, me then carry and go. Another accident, also accident for Camion. This one around now for side for Betwa. Where Camion be the fly? For go carry timber. He want to come back, he tombosai. As he tombosai, now he will fall on top this country boy when I see him. This boy now boy come over side for Donga Mountain Division for Wimbom land. Some people that talk say so this boy a commander of Sina. So one them they talk say so a commander for what? Sina is then under new subdivision for site for Donga Mountain. So now the country boy for the coin name say Oliver. Now he will don't die for that accident for Betoa for Camion. We come over that one again. We enter another one. Me we go now for side for Douala. I say for Lendi. For Lendi, he don't turn a quarter for TPP. This countryman, he don't go dig bedding ground. Move bone them. For cancel them. For your customer. So that me get money. For go buy clothes for your woman. Buy them for your girlfriend. Buy them for picking them. So that me they enjoy Barka Resala as it come in the proper. Now anyway, down for side for pleasure. They don't put trap. After they see say they so trap, you don't catch this man. And this gang 40 people. This gang 40 people wait when I see them. They don't put the number. They get gone. They get knife. They get collapse. Where they chapter people now in that. And when they chapter you, then take money, they go up on one whiskey, then take them. I say anti-gang for side for pleasure. Now come say that. Where they explain them. Say they so they don't succeed for kite them. Kite this man, and with all the capital, they find this man says because of business we don't do it for long. I ask and say when they carry people and we they make dinner for pool. They don't carry small picking for any year. Kill them, go sell them for person, for seven they call them for Kotaba. When I know they go kite that one, and they send them to man for country. Now them there, they say this boy them bad. For Lendi, this boy they know they give a gap. Yes. For inside Lendi then for Douala 5. Yes. For Bonamosa you ain't a go. Lendi na for that side where Sa Majesté Abraham. Yes. Car Elvis it is Shidong. So car Elvis when Abraham. You know talk say so any Hausa man for Lendi as Naibe chef. Let me say Sa Majesté for that side. Say any man way go take my team for that side, they catch him now on the Fongata. So now them that. We come over now we go for Buya. Since we know the year 12 for Cameroon with the year 18. I be think that for here. Send me mayor for Buya Council. Will you cancel on them? And the parliamentarian made a look matter for this vote where they come out for my 17, go for Buya Town. I don't think that they know the year. And now they go here. When I see them, no white talk in order for middle road. And the talk na trouble, I know the talk pen. No one talk in order for middle road. Now you have population for Boya they cry. Say accident there for the road, minute, second. Now that. It not be work about them. So they don't talk say this so. Sometimes they request motor if you need for kill the population for that side for Boya. Now that time we go buy truck. Come Ghana, put her inside water for mark the road there, man no, because it be possible for Cameroon. But yesterday, some motor don't fly. Last, and that. If this pole is not be there, now why they talk say there's no put a cement pole and iron pole because it go hell we. Me person not die. When I see 5 motor like this one, but 6 away, don't go land. Now, say where you will go, they say no. If they put some time, speed break for this road, it could help country people them. Another Vatican again. Vatican don't jam Okada man for Buddha. Breaking this Wednesday. He jam because Okada man be the worker where he not get headlamp. 19-seater bus for Vatican where they carry Baptist Church Christian them for go rally for side for come. So he last come remain for year. Christian them the last now they take a different motto for go for side for come. When I see him, I'll say for Buddha for 9 night. For 9 night. Now where I for LTM if you dey for that side, he make and say me will get him. So Okada man he die at the spot. Okada man he not die for hospital, he die for the very place. He die for the very place. Any motor where the pass the go, he only pass the pass. Any motor they can the pass the pass, and where more than 8 passengers they be get big cut. More than 8 passengers. But pastor, man of God, where we don't give his life for Christ, he come up for inside that accident, no cut, he no dey for his skin. I get for send news for una. Me when I know because for Cameroon, they say money be important pass person. Money not be important pass person. Thing where they make me when I know and say any place where accident day, the next motor where they come, they get for can't carry people that way they get caught for go to hospital. You see? So they don't last block road. Me any motor where they come, me carry people them. So they block the road. Then they carry all my way. If you get caught, they send an inside motor before it go out because taxi they can't pass, private car they can't pass. Only they go attend na rendezvous with assure them and for go attend rendezvous for that NJANGI House, for go attend rendezvous for thief. Yes. So when accident, there was on play when I know say this so critical condition and they when I block road. Yes, they want not to remain the talk. Me when I block road so that the next motorway they come, when I stop them and then put the victim inside, me then go to the hospital. That way when I see accident in your pass, so when they pass so, and then for house where the yesterday so that accident they so you brought that day inside. Well, if we stand, if we see him, anyhow we did, we all never see him and then show him as we see him. Now only for LTM you see him, you see him again for outside, countryman. Yes. Now only here where you see him because. For Tory man, it take time for say, me you understand where to way it talk. Live and countryman. Yes. And it's also beg when country people. And no say for Cameroon where you beg person, it they say na crime where you don't commit them. And they beg when I say, person where no say they so no getting way if you support with it. You feel support with for go for Facebook. Carry the Facebook link. Then share them for some people and let me say you don't so help the program. You feel go for we YouTube channel NJANGI House. You collect the link and then you subscribe for being member. That means say you don't help the program. You see, I'm no? Since that they talk to this, so when I help Tory man for say me get phone, when I go use them for call, when I know I help any man, they only talk say no, na my man, na my man. No, the program now when I program, but when I know one, make maintenance for the program. So any accident, the next motorway they come when I stop them, and then put those where they be victim for inside me then go to the hospital. That's me they leave them. Motor go come pass, person could suffer, and then last die. That me say need for buy motor now waiting. Me we come on now for Palava accident for Vatican versus Okada man. And then we go now for side where they call them for Betham village. Now village where they under Batibo subdivision. I for LTM BDD, it go tell you what happened. Countryman, what happened for Betham village? Much fire me we here.
I think this way just happened for this evening, so for this runway for. And Papa George, he has this way. The rendo center for down of everything. 9 days, he don't cancel Trump until this one. As soon as they see, it don't damage many houses inside this village of Besom. This thing it happen inside Besom village. If you see now other houses again, It don't damage many houses them inside this village. See, this thing happened for this afternoon, for this rainway before. Now houses them this way don't uproot. So scatter them.
Yes, so. Yes, so.
You see, all man they cry so. Fortunately, it don't happen for just this evening. Now, mommy they cry so say hi, equal to. Fortunately, it don't happen so. Damage. All has done fall for them. Continue for the next compound again. Another one. This is the happen for 3 compound on top this here. They call this place a Gunye. See, thing way it don't happen. And for Gunum, now the worst way it don't uproot. See thing happen. For priest, and this priest, it be the past, I be the meditation God take control. You see, now the owner for these other houses, he comes so with the bite. Say me, you can see thing where it happen, but we thank God for the grace. For this house where it don't go down so. If you see this picking of the whole arm, this thing happen to the picking on top bed. This small picking there for bed to sleep. As this thing it happen inside this room so. See thing where it happen, all this block. All this thing where it falls so now for place where picking me to sleep. Thank God say picking me to sleep for corner on top this bed. All these block then so it fall for corner they picking on top the house. On top this bed so. Now the family this where did you cry? For thing where it don't happen. So now the owner this for the house, he don't come so you don't know which way if you do. So if you have to ask 1 or 2 questions for him, say Papa, I know so now you don't get this compound, now what will happen where you see and so. Oh, thank God. Also, they go there for another incident. That house for overside, they don't press person for under. Now either I see people they run so for go try for way they remove the person. The person this for down here the house as he don't broke this afternoon, he don't broke this person for down. You know people up and a polarized man before this rain he don't come so up everything. If you cry for you, you don't know what to do.
When I hear no. So now I from NJANGI House, it report live for that site for Besong Village under Batibo subdivision for that site. So now we go come out again. We enter another one where to the man if we also follow him up. What if it happen? Me we go for that side for Babajo, Combo, for go see where to wait if it really happen. This one will bring them. This one that they picking way for woman, good Samaritan if they pass. You see how picking the worker for down. They say don't turn now cricket. Picking the criminal clip for down. Now where this woman ask and say where to pass. He said no, Mama me don't put a big head collapse for fire. A red and then a iron you shoot and they. He iron your foot. Now when they ask and say iron your foot say you don't do what he. This picking say no. The iron your foot say they so it the overworker. Now even with the answer say this, so mommy where you carry pikin for 9 months for belly, you born her. Now you buy clothes. Now you send it for school. Eh? Now you buy chop. Now you don't feel it can be so. You can't take cutlass, put them for fire, burn pikin before they see the way pikin is suffer. See the way what this pikin is suffer. And the one finish burn them, they take you, they block them for inside their own prison for their compound. Pikin man for them for 2 weeks. Now time when pikin don't come on now for God peace. Woman will be the person pass see him before a rest alarm. Now this. Me when I hear thing where they talk.
Is that you have been working since your mother get back to you?
Now so that they born you.
Now so that they born you be the worker.
Yes. That be the worker be the creep so.
You be the creep now so.
You be the creep now so time mommy born you. You be the worker now so. Wait to make her the worker so.
Wait to make her now you the worker we are hand them for floor. We are foot them for ground. Huh?
My mommy born my food.
Your mommy born your food? Your mommy born your food now waiting.
It born collapse for fire, you ready born.
Talk more, yeah, fine.
It born collapse for fire, you ready born.
It born your food them. It born and so you do it.
Say of a worker.
Okay, I see born and so you do it bring you for hospital. Okay, he log you for us. Huh?
Yes.
They go in, then the food now start rotting, not so?
Yes.
Now when they good Samaritan see you now, we go for God peace. He raise alarm now, we carry you now, bring you for hospital, not so?
Yes.
Okay, Papa. Asha for Basu?
Yes.
Alright, go back for your word now. Go back for your word, God will take control, eh? Yes. Okay. This.
So when I see suffer when he's speaking the suffer. When I see suffer when he's speaking the suffer, and they ask whether for upside. When I go see how to suffer for climb for bed, when I see him, when I see him, how you go money take on last, burn them for fire, move them where don't red, you burn picking the see the way you picking the suffer. When I Asha, God in not the sleep. We be back police for site for Babaju. We back the one for my thousand. We back those go the day for checkpoint. Me they try for find side where this mommy a day. Can't reach now. We don't know whether they don't catch him. But difference to the enter to the man where the Touré is not correct. Team where Touré man will expect time. No na team where it don't happen. Live and contraband. Anyhow we did. Now Touré man he check sense. He talks today so he get for send person for that hospital. Me go look him. Look condition where they picking the inside so that we feel help for we own way because NJANGI House na program where the help time where person there for trouble. Now, Touré man, if you go for that side where na I for ATM, free boy, Watty, you don't go meet up him for hospital. Me when I hear thing with free boy, it could send him for we. March fire.
It happened again for Usai, for Babaju. Wait, it happen again for Babaju. Now some picking way, as when they see that small picking way, they go show now, for enter that small video. Wait, it happen for the picking. Now you mommy, take the picking, he burn he food them, take colas, burn he food them day, take colas, put them for fire, burn he food them day. For sick I say the picking don't go play with the friend them. As they don't go play with the friend them come back, they don't burn the picking the food them. So we don't work as ATM they ever year, he go for day. ATM, I don't work like a worker man for Tory, for ATM, I can't reach for the hospital. We want reach for day, we see say, the pikin no see day. Wait to happen where the pikin no see day. Now when the doctor they tell me say, the family don't can't take the pikin, they go out for the andumbu. So right now, we there for day. We ask them whether the pikin and the mommy they don't go outside, we don't know. And wait to happen before they discover the pikin. The mommy born the pikin food and so he take a look for your house. Now some go there the pass when a good Samaritan, he see the pikin. Before he ask the pikin say wait to happen, the pikin talk say now your mommy don't born the food and take a last born and day. Before they go there they carry him one time he reach for hospital. So they go to the hospital. So although we never see the pikin, but the doctor they tell me say that truly will happen because when ATM here, he must go for the thief. Now free boy, he give a Tory for ATM NJANGI House. Now live program.
NJANGI House for that side for Babaju. So anyhow, we the only thank God say this. So God, you know why? Yes, God, you know why. Live are you, countryman? Yes. Yesterday, they were honor them for Cameroon. That means say honorable them for Cameroon, parliamentarian them all. They will don't vote. The executive members, and yesterday they will put them for chair. Me, any man can talk say, in the name of the Lord, and not fit take money for go bring development for my village, and then I take them for playing a live day. Now so they will talk yesterday. But when they swear yesterday, nothing will go happen because no one here when I complain for me. Me we go for parliament. Now for Cameroon, parliament for inside the Yaoundé. So now inside their house, where they ever should down than Dungamen, all the day with green and yellow, alias peace work for the land. Because green and yellow, it shows say peace work for the land. So now we honorable than this for the whole Cameroon. Now big man that and the president that. Where they elect them. This one now those where they go to count. Time where you don't go vote. After they go count them, and then talk say now so this man he don't win. So the go say I they work now only my work. I know they work now work where now some man go tell me say do so. And I know be corrupt person. So as I swear, I don't see my man for this. Yes, I don't see my man for this. Betty asomo when I'm a man, but as he don't come here for your own day, man not see again. Can people that be there for inside? Full Callistus. Yes, His Excellency. Full Callistus Gentile. Yes, says be there. I don't see my man Kili for inside. So all them be there. What? How man go do for see these people? But although we there your own but for see them now walk. Even my brother waiting for corner here. His Excellency. Yes, Sheikh Joseph man see. No, man see is strong. You will only see them only for occasion. So now them this, oh, me don't quite to be day. So all the baby come, they say they so, they declare plenty as they don't choose again their new president. Yes, they choose their people the way they go to control them. See how they go manage the Cameroon go before. Look how they go look inside the matter them where they disturb Cameroon. So that me Cameroon come as it be the first time and then come with a peace because motto for Cameroon now peace work for the land. So all this honorable them they be shown yesterday and today now they way that Dungamen go finish and we Flora Jingla USSF is there for that side where tomorrow when I go yeting way Ngongare it be blue arm for that side the Tory for sideway honor them then they so honorable time for me Gerard he be there for inside. Honorable Nami, he there for inside. And then Honorable Walang Richard, all the day inside. Yes. So all this honorable and day. So the day inside. Even my own honorable for side for Noni. Yes. Honorable for Noni, he did too for the yes. Honorable for side for Oko, he did. So the day for this. So yes. So I did beg them say next time when would I go for the meeting, me man not sleep because we get problem for road. We get problem for bridges. We get see that my man, Mbella. See them hey, all them. How go do see them no frampet? These people and they so they fight you for see me now say bodyguard too they disturb. Wait, was I want see minister no on the paper voile minister on the minister na pala. Wait minister they want see we the bodyguard say no. I know they understand. But one day God go make our see. Yes. So on my brother, His Excellency, full Callistus, gentle. Yes, no say we want for see you, but now bodyguard be the problem. Not talk say this, so we know they come for see you. So no say bodyguard, he did a dog. He feel bad man. So you heard the story where His Excellency, full Callistus, gentle. Yes, we'll get for see you, but we'll see you now. No way, no day. No talk say we don't throw away you. Yes. Yes, even my man. Couple Golof, all them. We'll see them now. We'll only wait. They will meet up for village. That time bodyguard no day. Yes, man, face story now with you. Another chapter now where the main news for inside Cameroon. Now Palava the new coach. Hiya. I say new coach, he don't enter. New coach, they call his name say with the impact. Babris, they got Babris na name for which stream for motor. Yes. They say na man wey come over whether na Belgium. Now that say na coach for first division for the country. That one na Samuel Etofis when na president for for Cameroon. Minister of Sport where they look at all sport for country. They say that he don't come out book say they so Cameroon he don't get new coach. That means say they don't kick Rigobert Song me she don't corner. And the team now that now the team for Rigobert Song this way they will go for African Nation Cup and then we'll go Tomba. This book way white now Minister for Sport he don't come out BB book say they so new coach don't be I don't show a photo. Now in this Fikafo say they so they don't know them this coach. That means say Ndambade for inside fee. Where we get for Shido now for C who could win. But Ndamba where they play with Refino Day. Who could know now say 90 minutes don't reach or half time. Oh Cameroon. I know they understand. Preacher when we the answer and say wait till we the final for bad white man. We get picking up for Cameroon where they be coach all side. But we just also bring a white man. We are not they take example for this Senegal. Senegal we can't take cup for year. Senegal began a white man coach. And for Cote d'Ivoire when they don't win again the African Nation Cup for their own country. They began a white man coach. They say that way they say white man one make jonglage. They say picking for country. Can't turn up, turn up, so they win cup. Why for Cameroon we die only for back white man? We do what white man not gonna picking for Cameroon. Me we concentrate for we all picking them for Cameroon. When they don't go Sukulu, they get certificate for big coach. But we leave them. We go for all of a white man. And when white man is there for first division for your country, for either your country. Why we not be to coach for first division for Cameroon? Me can manage the team. But we'll talk inside. We are not so we'll be spot at them. We get to talk. Hey, countryman. Now we Ndenge. Yes, now we Ndenge. We come back. We salute Adjudant. Yes, Adjudant Kadia Paul Mkong. We now picking for site for Oko. He watch the program now live for site for Garwa. Yes, Mr. Kadie. Yes, Mr. Kadie Paul Mkong. We now picking for that site for Oko for corner Lek Oko. Yes, he watch the program and even man we can say Tanto Tanda we now title man for Oko Palace. He says he did for on site. He watch the program. We get for talk. We get for talk. And with the social back because with the CC they say we not support when I know support they say we not support we only for share the link share with Facebook link for some site or subscribe for with Facebook YouTube channel when I know one do any man they only talk now my combi I know we combi for no person hello yes good morning give me your name and the time so me will still make a media people for 18 now they understand. Yes. When you want to call this program if you do for inside crowd, you come over crowd. Yes, so that me will take you because if you do for crowd, we not go take you. Another call again. Hello, countryman.
Yeah, good morning.
Yeah, time for me.
Yeah, now for me we have been from Bonso, who come first subdivision, which division of the Northwest.
Yes. So what you don't bring up?
Yeah, I want to talk about that picking where my born your food.
Yes. For that type of Baba.
The first thing I say, I see that my man will tell you wait till your life, me hate the men, the kind of people here. Because that will let me go where now, my man will put the kids into him. That my man, I really will not wear the number, I'm just going to hold 2 times.
But now when they don't talk, say, the parents them, and you don't hear we report, I don't talk, say, Mommy and Papa for this speaking, they don't come for that hospital, come bring Wahala, so they take that picking, vamos with them. Where till you feel talk for that one? Yes.
That picking Cameroon picking, no be their picking their own time a day for Pele.
Yes.
Time if they become so many put up for law, we step there when citizens for this country go fight that fight, no be them go fight.
So you dey propose me to go catch the mommy. We get this picture. We don't do the action.
Yes, with the power even me say me for me will be now go to that case me was a bit Cameroon.
Okay. Thank you, countryman. Yes. For me, we don't talk to this. So me the girl for catch that woman. Yes. And we must follow up. Hello? Hello? Good morning, sir. Good morning. Give me your name and the side where they call. No, we don't talk. Say off the volume for your TV. Off. You want call this program? Make sure say you don't off the volume for your TV. If you don't feel off them, we say we'll off you for this site. Yes, this thing in our team we get for be serious for there. When I just say they go born picking, you foot them, and then she don't begin to laugh, and then we play careless. It don't make no sense. Hello, countryman. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning, madam.
Good morning,
Give me your name and the side where they call.
Now, that mommy for that picking a very bad mommy for the picking. How you go do born with the picking?
We don't just talk for people that for 89, they say they're strong head, so we not feel continue. Hello?
Yeah, Papa General Moko.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Fabrice for Douala. No, Basi.
Yes. How about that side?
No, they're fine.
Yes.
Now, concerning that matter for Feka Food.
Yes, that Feka Food number. Yes. When I don't get new coach.
I swear. Who know the TikTok in the way the fair concern us. See football we talk about. How many days my brother they for push will never chop.
No, but now when you talk nothing we concern football. No bring different topic for you we go can't bring man problem. Talk. The thing where they bring coach is fine or you not fine. Talk that one. No go bring say people and they for bush and they so one day no. That one never come for table today. So countryman, if you continue your talk.
No, there are all my things that be getting for today.
No, wait for Friday. For Friday and then you talk that one countryman.
Confirm.
Yes, because that one is no day for we topic today. Yes. Coach for Cameroon. Minister, where it look at football, it don't come out say na in that. Yes. Say na so law for country it talk. We will not know we law. Now them no law. Man for Africa for say you don't know the person. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning, oh.
Good morning.
How about you, countryman?
I mean, that's also me for Kribi.
And who?
She Thomas from Kribi.
Share Thomas.
Yes.
The man, we don't forget me. Now come with this, eh? You there for Kribi. You enjoy your fish for Kribi. And they die hungry for inside here only. You see, huh?
No, this time you know what die.
Yes. Okay, what do you get for tell we, Mr. For me?
Me, I don't want to talk about that TV motor we don't bomb so.
Huh?
Yeah, that phone the motorway don't burn so.
Yeah, no, that phone the motorway don't. That phone for what? The motorway don't burn. Now tomorrow we'll show him, countryman.
Yes.
Well, we'll show him tomorrow.
All right.
Yeah, that means say you want buy new motor for fun.
Tomorrow if we turn that one, I will turn. Now we will continue with buy new motor now.
Yeah, no, you no, we know you know. Yeah. You know, man, if you buy motor, you want.
Yeah.
What did they do? Yeah. Hello, countryman. Hello. That countryman don't go. Countryman don't go. Hello, countryman.
Yeah.
How about you now?
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Good morning. Who they call?
Now, Pamba the call for Batoke. Now, Pamba the call for Batoke.
Yes. Come up for corner television, Pamba. Come up for television.
Okay, I come on.
Yes. Yes. What do you got to tell me for Batoke?
Yeah, when I did for Batoke, in the two subdivision.
Yes.
I want really glad with a job. This job where them bring out another new coach. That make all people smile.
Okay. But Etofis
and the minister was taught and education.
Yeah, but Etofis the talk say no this coach. Now minister for sport is talking about that.
Some of the coach I said God. He gets level and go to the gate. Pick up a level and come to the gate. Make some way down. I don't like this show.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Yes, we don't salute all man for Batoke. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning.
Morning.
Your name and where you dey call?
My name is Annette Olinde.
You dey call for outside?
Olinde.
Yes, what you get for 10 weeks for 20 seconds? You don't go. No say credit it wrong now. We take Mr. Fro. Yes, Mr. Okay, you don't go. 650608498. Yes. Trouble day. Hello? Hello? Okay. Good morning. Hello? Good morning, sir. Okay. They call, they know they talk. So we get for concentrate for different one. We leave the person. May they try on best. We salute Dr. Wanko. Yes. Wanko, we there for that site for from Foka. And we salute all man for Konene. Yes, we salute all man for Konene. We follow the program for Saudi. Hello, countryman. Hello, countryman. Hello? Okay. 650608498. They say me will put that thing, that accident for Vatican. Some people then they argue. Say Vatican never made accident. Yes. When I was here, since I when I life was see before when I believe, because when I be Thomas. Hello? Hello? Hey, countryman. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. How you doing? Long time.
Long time. You say whether now wait till they happen or say we will die for this side, but we still there alive. Hey, countryman.
No way, we are not fit die. If you see us on a connection, at the time for reach you all the time.
Yes. So who they call the person then of outside?
Yeah, and a small scale in that person they call from Germany.
Now we countryman for Germany in the talk. Come good for the Tori house. What you don't bring them today, countryman?
Well, I just I want to talk about this trainer where they bring them. So I be feel say so time don't reach we will get to use our own people them. Even though Regobert song may not be do up to expectation, but I think there are other people who do much better than Regobert song. So I don't see any reason where they will go bring a foreign national American coach with again. In fact, I remember the only gold medal we don't ever get them for Olympic. Na Akuna Jean Paul when a local man be train we will get that medal. And then this guy for Senegal says he don't carry Nations Cup when I saw a local man. So I don't see no reason why would they bring a wet now? How many black people did the coach for West here? There's no one. So we miss let them pass way or what? Of course not. So I try to plead with the Minister of Sport after the year together with Samuel Eto'o so they get a lot of talented players inside ex-players inside Cameroon. They coach this national team much better than a white man or than a Westerner. Now just my contribution, this is my advice I want to give to them if I hope to hear.
Okay, thank you. Yes.
You're welcome, Jeramboko.
Yes.
Salute all your team for we, even if I not reach you, I will watch you the whole time.
Okay, sir. Yes. Now we eye for that side for Germany. He don't talk as when I don't hear. So he follow we for that side. I they make and the other people them for the Germany for different sites they follow we. What you go for talk? Now they are time this not call after the program because you call after the program. Let me say you don't come for market where market we don't close. We get all man where they watch the program for that side for Shejo. Yes, Shejo. Now quarter for Lassen village. Yes, they call and say Shejo. So hello, countryman. Hello?
Hello.
Off the volume for your TV before you talk. Yeah, 12, no, you're not 18.
Yes. I want to know about that concerning that picking.
Yes, talk. Now, who did talk, sir?
Yeah, Madam Frida.
Yes, talk now, me we hear.
I want to know about concerning that picking. That money for that picking, we need to take it go na bigger direct because you do for that picking. I'm not sure that I done that picking.
Now when they don't can take the picking for hospital, go with them. What did the propose me government do?
Government get to look into this case.
Okay. As he said, this woman, he like for participate for the program, but now say no one for follow the rules and regulation for the program. Madam, next time or tomorrow when you want to call the program, me you come out for corner television. Because me say where the answer you so. I know they mean for corner television. You hear noise? No. When you didn't talk and then they hear for television, it will confuse you. And people that when they follow the program, they not go like for year become noise. Hello?
Yeah, I'm by for Battle the 2 subdivisions.
Yes.
I want to time the Minister of Sport and Physical Education.
Yes.
Not really what the Kunde for a job well done. To bring us a foreign coach so that we can smile again once more. Thank you. But I will talk about it to 2 shut your mind down. Now, footballer. We don't play football, good football, we go medal, but may shut your mind down. Maybe welcome the new coach so that we Cameroon football come at the day before. Thank you.
Thank you. So this man a fan for football. You don't talk say now white man he be get for they do all thing. See now white man say fine how they don't bring white man. Okay. The black one then we wait now for year. Where they then too they be coach they could do that on how. Hello countryman. Hello? Countryman don't go. We still wait till they're calling because we still get time. And we also tell the population because some people they don't confuse. Any occasion where you get time, if you bring them for 3 hours, me they make them for you.
Hello?
You feel up the volume for TV, with your come up for train some person now, you hear and then you do the very thing how?
No, the volume they off.
Come out for Canada television, come out for day. Me now talk for phone.
They're very far from the television.
So who they call the person there that outside?
Yeah, that Mr. Emmanuel na the first hour they call for the emission.
You did she don't have outside, you call about heaven?
I don't have a barrier.
Barrier na outside.
Barrier. You know barrier. Bahala.
Oh, okay, you don't have barrier for Douala, eh?
No, Yaoundé. I didn't know Yaoundé.
Why you toss a barrier, toss the one for Yaoundé because barrier the
yes,
outside.
Barrier for Yaoundé.
Yes. What do you got for talk, countryman?
Yes, for my own contribution about this our new coach where they do bring him.
Yes.
I want to give them a small contribution because this people try to learn for no sorts of things and about why man their own experience. I'm going to try to justify the experience of the black president. For so waiting, even I say would go take people then for strange. White man will forget our dear brother and they is account to get that experience for football.
Thank you. Yes, we use now only 20 seconds for the program. When you call, you use 20 seconds, you give chance for another person. Me use to on 20 seconds. He then say some man, it show your face again, but the beep na beep. Why when I the beep no countryman? When I not get for beep, Mr. Ernest. Now driver, Mr. Ernest driver, he try for contact we, yes. Mr. Ernest, not beep, where you call, leave and make the phone ring. You know, we'll call their credit. When phone does start the ring, you know, we cut my credit. Since our credit over DA for Cameroon, pass even petrol, we know the holla. When they just bring 1 franc for petrol, all man holla. But when credit they go up, normally when you go to Nigeria, you feel use sometimes 250 for the whole day. Call this side. Hello? Okay, don't go. Me we talk now. Me when I know when that time for message where I want send and for upside before when I start the call. I be one talk say. No. Now you get for call. Although the telephone and two they disturb. Mr. Frank. I don't talk say me this country people them they support we with telephone. So my man for that side, no, that man for idea. I don't call him. He said that telephone that he come, he devil down. General go down, go take telephone for program. I don't go stand for dance. I see person. Well, why don't you tell when I say this? So me, I don't like say me when I promise this program. When you don't get time, she don't make name. Hello? Yes. Now the man is.
Hello?
Good morning, sir.
Hello?
Good morning, your name and the side with the call countryman.
Good morning, General Moko.
Who do you call the president for that?
Valerie, the call countryman.
Okay.
I want to palava that coach something so.
Yes.
Yes. We need new coach for national team, but that's the way we say it and president for Patapu to make a like a million day together doing new coach national team, give you all time. We don't together coach national team, that's what make us not like them. Yes, I don't want to bring us another like I'm normally day together doing coach national team.
Correct.
Correct.
Correct. Demand not talk some important talk. Yes. You don't talk. You don't talk, better talk. When I be together, bring with better coach. Me will go before. Yes. Because the man they bring coach, the man say no, I don't know me the coach. This one bring it on. He say no, I don't want to see this person. So they be get for create some commission. We go look coach. Mr. Frampet. Yes. Because now we know they understand whether now who get for look coach for Cameroon. So better they for talk say this. So me the population for Cameroon, me them vote. Then see my way majority take his side, and then we just one time we just follow now a bring coach, we start the work on top. Even my man Chief Ndape for side for Bangem, I say cocoa now 1 kilo na 10,000. I just say sometime Chief Ndape it go make and two say we smile for this side. Chief Ndape say you know the come again, man not know. Chief Ndape, you don't go hide for Bangem now how? Hello? Good morning.
Good morning.
Na countryman this.
Amadu na Dr. Amadu for abattoir.
Amadu for abattoir, you be say we be show that road for abattoir, no?
Yes, we don't fix the road be fine now.
Okay, they don't fix them.
They don't fix them. This thing when they talk about course, so if I say man they rip that wine man. We Cameroon speaking the one they don't fix the country and they know the do the DT the example hidden a road why they care for Chinua the follow fix the route. They take road gear for country people they make the magu.
Madu. So we you see now say Tory man daily honor for fix them, no? I don't show them, they don't fix them. Now, when I begin for come talk for Tory, I say they don't fix when I wrote. Yes. They don't fix road, no? Anna. So, LTM day on for fix country, now fix them. We know the scatter country. When we show them, then go fix them. That phone don't finish spoil, eh? That phone don't finish spoil. So, anyhow we did. We could just try with them. Then we go back. We will go ask Dr. Maggi. Yes, for St. Contest, you go buy with phone. And our man. Yes, Dr. Maggi and Dima man for Bali. Dima man for Dubai. What you never talk last caller? Only one person he remains say me will take him. One person. Yes. One person. So that me will come out. We decided to man what they call say adjutant chef Gerard. He watched the program for that side for Ebama Quarter from Ngoso, and we decided to person where they call say Africa alias Njanka Bianca Michelle Omer. We decided to Mr. Tashe Rogers, he watched to the program for that side for Eleve. We salute to all man we did for that side for Eleve, and we greet those who did for Mobi for that side for Omispor. We they know they miss the program, and we salute all man for that side for Colbison. Hello? Last caller. No waste no time. Okay. You don't waste time. We take different person. Leave and you countryman, the program don't finish. Yes, the program don't finish. This telephone, no one see me, we walk, but we will walk because God is strong. Message where one send them for upside. When we send them, it affects some people them. But we only talk that thing where we see say it can't happen. First thing where we see say this can happen. na palava titles. Title them where from them they share them. Title holder they don't plenty now pass funds. When you want count how many villages and there for side for Northwest, then how many title holder and there for Northwest, you go see say sometime they come and some year one be fun where they give title for people them you know who can get cheer for she don't. Where title man where he don't give cap, where get your money he go come buy cheer for fun. She don't on top. If we not look at the way we they give that title, me man not call again. Number don't come up for the no. And the also want all the fund them where they the worker when they just go for bar, then give one beer, then take and drink them, give cup. When they go for this side, they give plate for chop for 5 restaurant, then give cup. And they beg all the fund them for Northwest. Me will not stop for the share this title. One day, this title holder they go disgrace winner. We return a thing where it can happen. One day this title holder they go can't disgrace winner the funds. If not hungry, we go to contribute money, the rest funds for the feed winner day. That title they not over plenty. Simon picking so if the push talk tomorrow yesterday so ye be one. Ye be for me, ye be this. Title holder be there for that compound. Title, escape on title be there for inside that family. Me when I know they bring witchcraft for inside people that family. Some family they will not be getting title. Now when I don't carry title, then put her inside 3, 4. So they fight now for see person will get title on big. So I don't want that one again. But I go talk so when fun and see me they vex. But they talk nothing will can't happen. And we don't see them says because we will be scientists. Another one. When you married woman, no say you don't carry kako. No say you don't carry kako. If it is heavy, it is heavy na you. Now you go decide for keep her down. Now you go decide for the force your skin with them. Because when you marry woman, you don't marry your family. That means anything when happen for that family, you get for the support. You dey participate because you be member for that family. But that way it happen for you. For say me the family for the woman too, they come participate because when I don't join for one family. Family for side for woman, no they can't participate. That means say they love them how. So at the tongue panjenta. Panjeta, where he send with this a message for place where they can say for Baby C. He said this so me we try for make me the understand say married now 2 family they can join. When problem there for massa side, me woman side to support. When they there for side for a woman, me massa side is support. Me na only massa no go die for stroke because of woman. So then the message that we will get on today. They call say Mr. Francois na SSF in the match button. Number where when I see I'm the number for WhatsApp. Those where they carry BB head where they no one follow the instruction, they go so the call. We say this so this one na WhatsApp number. Time for call we don't pass. I be wait when I call so tire. It no pass. When you want videos on TV send them for we. Hold your Android phone now so. When you video and finish them, you send them for we for that number. You send them for that number. When you want to send them, you give we the information. Tell we say we don't happen. So that me will know because they Facebook and the rest they overlie. So we will show what will happen with the fund for what we moto cash fire na tomorrow. So Francois will be the match button. Lande say we it be the manage the Facebook and the YouTube channel. Meanwhile, Mr. Lobe will be there for front camera. Although he says na patron, na them the control we for this side now. And then man where they can say from Peck na SSF BB coordinator. That means na they call on the program. And then me they call me General Moko. Messenger for God, he don't turn on a prophet where he did not for church. So my church it could do for Friday where any man get for car attend the church so that me hear the word of God. So prophet it be the send on today and the general it dey on now with broom. No na general for gun. Now general where they work out broom for sweep all dirty for Cameroon, send them for water. Me Cameroon a bikini they shine. We salute to Nyanga boy where they for side for St. Village. We salute all man for St. Village under new subdivision where they did now for Junction. They watch the program. Carry man we go look sideways Gary they chop because ya only trunk. Hey, ya only na fire. If man no go so Gary, man we collapse. But with the beg God, anyhow with the say we go put that water for go put Gary for inside water me with just liquor. You don't bad for we now. We don't go we.